Have you seen the ads claiming that Alpha Rock supplement can naturally boost testosterone, increase stamina, improve confidence, and completely transform male performance in just a short time? Those promises certainly grab attention, but do they actually hold up under closer examination? After carefully evaluating the available information, the marketing behind Alpha Rock raises several important questions that every potential buyer should consider before making a purchase. Many advertisements rely on dramatic before and after stories, bold performance claims, and emotional messaging that suggests life-changing results without providing strong scientific support. Several promotional materials also feature what appear to be doctor endorsements and expert recommendations. Yet there is little transparent evidence confirming that these endorsements come from qualified medical professionals. Some online advertisements and promotional videos also appear to use AI-generated content, making it difficult to determine what information is genuine and what has simply been created for marketing purposes. Customer testimonials featured on sales pages often sound overly polished or repetitive, raising concerns that some reviews may be scripted, selectively presented, or not independently verified. Another point worth noting is the use of phrases such as FDA approved, even though dietary supplements are generally not approved by the FDA before being sold, making such statements potentially misleading. The website also uses countdown timers, limited time discounts, and secret mail enhancement marketing tactics designed to encourage quick purchasing decisions instead of careful research. In addition, similar supplement formulas have appeared online under different brand names with nearly identical marketing approaches, which makes it harder to determine whether Alpha Rock offers anything unique. While some users may report positive experiences, others have shared complaints about little or no noticeable improvement after using the product. Overall, the available evidence does not clearly confirm that Alpha Rock delivers the dramatic results advertised. If you're considering buying it, reviewing the ingredient list, checking independent customer feedback, consulting a qualified healthcare professional, and maintaining realistic expectations are all smart steps before spending your money.